Ir-restawr tal-films, proċess ta' passjoni, preċiżjoni u ħila kbira. Dan huwa dak li sawwar il-proġett tar-restawr ta' films ta' Cecil Satariano, pijunier u ċinematografiku Malti. Ma' TVM News, ir-restawratur Thomas Beckles li ħadem fir-restawr u d-diġitalizzazzjoni ta' dawn il-films spjega l-proċess wara dan u qal li fost waħda mill-aktar ħiliet importanti li persuna għandha jkollha meta tkun f'din l-industrija hija l-passjoni.
Then the digitization of the film, of course, is something that should be done by someone who wants to achieve quality. If you have someone who is waiting for his lunch break or waiting for the Champions League final that is starting at 5, not concentrating on the work, you won't get the best results.
Beckles ħadem fuq diversi proġetti internazzjonali. Spjega li films li ilhom snin li ġew maħduma uħud mir-rukkelli oriġinali jinsabu f'kondizzjoni żiena. Ħafna drabi din titfalura il-proċess ta' restawr.
Ideally, if you restore a film, you have the filmmaker's original negative, the first edit, the finished edit of the negative. But that is, of course, a luxury. It's a luxury to have. Like we restore many films of filmmakers like Werner Herzog, Volker Schlöndorff. They have their negatives in the storage in the Federal Archive, for example, and they kept the negatives and they don't age as much as the copies do. But the filmmakers of the less commercial work, amateur filmmakers, they don't have that luxury to have their negatives stored in archives.
Veronika Gallia tgħid li b'kollox damet 15-il sena biex inġabru l-films ta' Satariano, proġett li ħafna nies u entitajiet ħadmu qati ħalih biex jerġa' jingħata l-ħajja. Gallia tgħid li minkejja snin biex instabu l-kopji oriġinali uħud kellhom ħsarat irreparabbli li kien ifisser li kellhom jintużaw partijiet mill-kopji biex joħolqu l-filmat komplut. Fosthom il-films mill-aktar popolari ta' Satariano hemm Furious Red u Giuseppe. Għalet li dan il-proċess ġela tapprezza l-ħidma ta' Satariano, iżda wkoll il-wirt ċinematografiku Malti.
We're bringing this now back to the Maltese people to appreciate and also to understand that, my goodness, we do have wonderful film history, that needs to be preserved. This is 50 years old. People haven't seen it for a long time, and maybe old VHS copies. And so now we can learn that, wow, we do have a cultural film heritage and one that is worth preserving, and also that we have more films out there which we need to preserve.
Qalet li fil-waqt li huwa importanti li dawn il-films jiġu preservati, ugwalment importanza huwa li dawn jiġu salvagwardjati f'repożitorju, f'dan il-każ l-Arkivi Nazzjonali ta' Malta, li kienu parti integrali minn dan il-proċess. Temmet li fil-fatt il-films ta' Cecil Satariano li jiddiskrivithom bħala parti minn wirt Malti se jibqgħu taħt il-ħarsin tal-arkivi għad gawdija tal-ġenerazzjonijiet futuri.